Most customers don't struggle because they're bad at choosing colours, but what they do struggle with is paint acts differently on a big wall than it does on a small colour card like this. And this has always been a big problem. There's always that little voice in your head saying, what if I get this colour wrong? I'm going to have to live with it every day until it needs decorating again. Now, that's nothing to do with paint, that's just having confidence with the colour you choose. Now you might say, don't worry, we've got tester pots, and I completely agree with you. Tester pots are good, but buy too many and they get really expensive really fast. As I mentioned, I think tester pots are great until you sit down and you realise that you spent the last 20 minutes sitting down looking at a 20 centimetre square trying to imagine the rest of the room looking exactly like that colour. One of the problems we often see is that homeowners are making big decisions on small little samples, and we've got a way that we think we've got around that. Now, I've seen customers change their minds about colour 3 or 4 times, not because they're indecisive, but because the room keeps showing them something different. So that's exactly why we've built this room. So our customers come here, try out the colours on the walls, ceilings, coving, skirtings, doors, whatever, and see that the colours work. Come and have a cup of tea, maybe a biscuit. Just try stuff out here before you try it in your home.